Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to get more flowers on your species dendrobiums. Many of my viewers ask me a question, why my species dendrobiums are not blooming. That is why I am choosing this topic for today's discussion. So what do you do to make more flower blooms? So keep watching till the end. I select Dendrobium aphyllum to explain this topic. Dendrobium aphyllum is also called Pieridi cuculatum. This is one of the most widely cultivated species. Flowers are in combination of light pink and white with mild fragrance. Today is 13th April. The plant is in full blooming stage. In Bengali New Year, it blooms here. First of all, focus on the medium. Just I mounted the plant on a wooden log. No other medium like moss or anything else is used. In close view, you can see only roots are attached on the wooden log. As aphyllum did not need much humidity, I don't use moss. If you want to cultivate such species which needs much humidity like Dendrobium formosum, you should add moss as per your climate. Always check out the basic criteria of that species which you want to grow. My suggestion is before starting to grow any species, you should learn about its care. Just search on internet like this, Dendrobium aphyllum care. You will get an initial idea about grow and care about Dendrobium aphyllum. Remember, always grow that plant whose growing climate matches to your climate. As an example, if you reside in a tropical climate and you want to grow a cool growing orchid, it is nearly impossible to get flowers. In maximum cases, you can't able to survive the plant. As a result, you will get disappointed and you will lose your energy. This is Dendrobium aphyllum. It's also called leafless dendrobium because when this blooms, all leaves fall off like this. You can see two different Dendrobium aphyllum plants here. One is full of flowers without leaves and the other has a few flowers, many leaves. This is the most vital point. In our climate, if you want more flowers, you have to insist your plant to fall off its leaves by reducing water before the dormancy starts. In our tropical climate, dormancy generally starts from last week of September to October to end of January. In this period, leaves stop growing. You should slowly reduce water at first. Then water your plant 1 or 2 alternative days according to your climate. Don't stop water completely. It will promote leaf loss. For more information about dormancy, you can check my dormancy video. I share its link in description box. Some recommends blooming fertilizer in this period. According to my experience, blooming fertilizer is not a miracle. If your plant is healthy enough, automatically it gives flowers for you. Just give adequate sunlight according to your plant requirements. Growth period is important part. Feed the plant with growth fertilizer regularly in this time. Our today's plant Dendrobium aphyllum needs 50 to 70% sunlight needs 50 to 60% humidity in growth phase. Aphyllum base to mount on a wooden piece and place it in a airy place to get more healthy plant. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.